and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Have you ever wanted to make music at home? Well, I'm here to tell you that all you need are some cups, some water, and a couple of spoons. You see, sound is made up of three things. It is made up of vibration, vibration, and vibration. So if I tap my spoon against my cup, I'm actually making it vibrate at a certain speed, which is making a certain sound. But if I add or remove water from my cup, you can see that that cup is actually vibrating at a different speed, which makes a different sound. So you can play around with that at home, try to make some beautiful music at home, and if you're inspired by this video and want to share your own music, make sure you share it with the hashtag #ShowUsYourScience. All right, thanks so much everyone, and have a great day.